Hey, so if your images are not showing in Typeform, yeah, maybe they're broken, blank, or just not loading. Don't worry, this is actually a pretty common issue. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, go back to your form and check if the image was uploaded properly. I mean, sometimes the file doesn't upload completely. Next, make sure your image format is supported. Typeform works best with formats like JPG or PNG, so if you're using something else, it might not display. Now, check the image size. If the file is too large, yeah, it might fail to load properly. Try compressing or resizing the image. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow connections can stop images from loading correctly. After that, clear your browser cache and reload the form. Sometimes old data blocks images from displaying. If you're using extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, they might block images. Try disabling them and reload the form. If your form is embedded on a website, make sure the embed is working properly, especially if you're using builders like Webflow or WordPress. If nothing works, try deleting the image and uploading it again. Sometimes this fixes hidden glitches. So yeah, that's how you fix Typeform images not showing. Usually it's something simple like file format, size, or cache issues. Try these steps and your images should load properly again. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone.